Hello fellow strangers of the earth. Today I will be showing you how to make 3 Minecraft house items. Let's get into it. The first one is how to make bath towels. You will need block of any choice, stair of any choice, head of any choice, apart from dragon head, armor stand, a piston and a redstone block. First place a block, then place another block touching the corner. Now break a block here, followed with placing an armor stand in the hole. After that equip the head you chose on the armor stand. Now place the piston next to any block you placed. It should look like this. Then, behind the piston place a redstone block. Finally break the piston and redstone block. Now you're done. Chair, you can actually sit on. You will need stair of any choice, trapdoor of any choice, block of any choice, a minecart and rail. First place down the stair. Place your block of choice 1 block away from the chair, then place the rails on it. Then put trapdoors around the chair. After that, place the minecart on the rail. It should then fall into the stair. You are now done. Okay, on to the next one. Chimney, with smoke coming out of. You will need campfire and a block of your choice. The block is for making the chimney, but I have already made the chimney. All you have to do is place the campfire in the chimney. You are now done.